As a challenge to myself, I asked ChatGPT to make a gingerbread house nail design for me, and I'm going to try to recreate it. Let's address the elephant in the room. My voice sounds like crap. I feel like absolute garbage. I have taken cold medicine, I have nasal spray, my tissue is here, and I'm ready to do some nail art. Ooh, I like how this sounds when they clink together. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna put up a picture for the AI inspired art over here so you can see what I'm working with here. I'm gonna do my version of it. I'm not a person who buys a lot of brown. This is what I have for brown. This one, you can see this yellowish down here is because I never use this. So it's just kind of sitting there and all the color went down and then it was like all clear at the top. So I shook the crap out of it. This is like the closest color I have to the brown that they're using in the photo. I always start with a base coat, and so I've been using this. Anyone else lose their sense of smell when they use nasal spray, or is that just me? Okay. They are dry enough for me. Don't look at the pinky. There's still some white there, but I don't care. And then I wonder why they don't last. Oh, I do this to myself. Ooh, she's crusty and musty. Cool. My plan is to just paint everything in this dull brown. Ooh, she's liquidy. Blech. Excuse me. Why do I always have to burp when I do my nails? I'm gonna go in with a second coat. I kind of like it. I guess that's the reason I bought it. So now I'm going to put on a quick drying top coat. Look what I did. I touched it. Why do I have a YouTube channel? I'm going to make it a French tip so that nastiness will disappear. This is a lid I got from something I bought at the store, and I just reuse it to put my acrylic paint on, as you could tell from all this nastiness. I'm going to use white acrylic paint to do a French tip. You like how that's lopsided? Welcome to Nubby Nails. Everything's lopsided here. I have a vinyl that I can use. Oh, I'm doing that. I'm gonna use this big one. Look at the vinyls. They're on. They're ready. They're firing. I'm gonna use this nail polish to make the French tip. The Frenchiest of tips. The French tip. Oh, don't pull up. I forgot I'm wearing a peel-off base coat. Ooh, not smart. Pulled up a little bit on the side here. Stay down. I'm peeling off the vinyl right away because if you wait till it dries, it leaves like a crustiness and it doesn't look good. If I wasn't doing this gingerbread thing, it might be cute to make the French part like more drippy so it looks like frosting or something, but I am doing AI, so I must do what the AI has made for me, which is magic. I just realized that this brown on my finger is probably darker than this brown. Yep, and it's supposed to be the opposite. Didn't think that through before starting. Now we must deal with the consequences. I think I'm gonna start with the middle finger. I feel like a woman. Yeah, this brown is definitely lighter and just a completely different kind of brown. You know what? I'm just gonna paint this whole French part brown, and then it'll be easier to do the brick stuff. Don't question my method! I don't have one! I think I'm gonna have the house be this. And then I'll like put white around it so that it looks like frosting and stuff. I need to let that dry. I'm gonna start with this really small one so I can like draw some little gingerbread people. Ooh, I gotta clean that up. Okay, I just realized I could make my life easier by using a dotting tool. Gingerbread here, and then gingerbread friend over here. It's hard to copy it because it's so weird looking. I got an idea. Let's do my own version of a gingerbread. I'm gonna have their arms out like they're just so happy. It's hard to tell right now, but when I add like white, I'm sure it'll look better. My gingerbread ladies are holding hands. They're frolicking in the snow together. I'm gonna put another coat of brown on here. It's all nice and sloppy. It'll look better later. Just trust the process. Why did you even bother painting the brown in the first place if you're just gonna cover the whole thing? I don't know. It just felt right in the moment, so that's what I did. I got my gingerbread ladies holding hands, a massive turd. Let's see what we could do with this other stuff. It looks like they kind of did it mainly with a dotting tool. Okay, I'm talking like this AI actually did the art. It's not terrible. I kind of like dotting a tree. I'm gonna let that dry. Okay, so this one looks like someone took like a bite out of the top of it or something. Cleanup brush and some water. It looks like at the bottom part, it was trying to do like a peppermint look maybe? Like smeared, like the peppermint kind of melted. I don't know how to do that. The hard part of these gingerbread ladies is gonna be outlining them. Super messy outline. Yes, I got you. Good thing I'm not a surgeon, man. I got some shaky hands. Alright, let's give them some eyes. Look a little cratchety. And then this one has one eye. Ooh! Too big! I think I'm gonna have to go in with some brown to try to fix that. I'm gonna make some brick. Follow the brown brick road. Follow the brown brick road. Follow, follow, follow. Kinda sorta brick. There's gotta be a path down the middle. Let's put in some ornaments on the tree. Let's start with the white, because there's a bunch of white ornaments. It also has white dots in the sky. Now I need some blobby red dots. That finger is almost done. Oh, there's brick on this one too. It's weird looking brick. So I'm just gonna do whatever the heck. Let's first paint some swoopty swooples. Kind of looks like the snow is bleeding. Let's first put lines on the path. It's a little sloppy of a path and it's kind of crooked, but that's okay, because I'm kind of crooked. Ooh, that's not quite right. What's wrong with it? Oh, it's supposed to be a bit wider. What I'll do is I'll just color in that center part with brown. Not good at drawing circles. I'm gonna go in with brown and fix that when it dries. I should have drawn like the triangle part so I know. Okay, it's gonna come like that. I'm gonna have to do some surgery on this house because it is not looking the best right now. Oh! It's okay, it's okay. It can always be fixed. I'm gonna have so many layers of acrylic paint on here, man. I'm just gonna let that sit for a bit. Maybe an easier way to do the circle window would be to do like a dotting tool and then use brown to do the things, if that makes sense. Oh! Aw, poo. That's irritating. And the window, even though I used a dotting tool, is still lumpy. You know what would be a great idea? Let's recreate AI with your limited skills. I'm super smart. Each of the ladies are supposed to have eyes. So I'm gonna use this brush. Eyeball, eyeball, and then one eyeball on that one. You know what? I can't. You're gonna have two eyes. The background is also brown, and I think it's supposed to be like maybe a house or something, but I think if I try to add that to this, it's not gonna look good. I'm not gonna do that. The ladies already look scared. Let's draw in the drippy drips. Oh, the sides aren't white. Oops. Oh, I made the door too tall, that's why. I think the roof looks a little bit better. For the window, I'm going to make it smaller than I originally planned. Boop. Not the worst. Alright, there's also some leaves inside of the house. That's supposed to be a wreath? There's dots all over the top part of it. Pretty much this one's done. Since it's on my skin and such, I could just clean it up with water. There. That's something. I need a star at the top of my tray. What kind of star do they have? A really nice looking star. A semi-nice looking star. Candy things on the house. Okay, we need some yellow dots. Is there light pink too? I don't feel like doing that, so I'm gonna just do yellow. Look what I did with my thumb. I tried to guess what they did on the AI, and I decided to do like half candy cane, half gingerbread house. Because I can't see what the thumb is, and it just looks like a melted finger. Alright, I'm gonna put on top coat. Top coat fixes everything. Top coat is the world. Yes, I see how like weird my fingers look, and it looks really messy. I'm putting on top coat because I want to wash my hands and get all the acrylic paint off. That'd be like 10 times easier than trying to like go in with an X-Acto knife. When I use acrylic paint, I usually put on 2 coats of top coat. Oh my god, look what I did! It's because I didn't wait for the acrylic to dry before I put on top coat, and then I touched it. Oh, rookie mistake. Well, it's gonna be a semi-melted candy cane. It's fine. It's close to the AI, so we're just gonna be fine with that. Bam! How do you think I did? For not being an AI, I think I did as good as I could. I appreciate you very much. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you liked it, comment and subscribe. Otherwise, I'm gonna go take a nap. So I'll see you later. Bye!